hena riri kamite ya gukubururi-ini ya kurwa na ngungumio itagwo EACC ina mubango wa guthomithia andu horo wigie integrity na kurwa na ngungumio mena kothio marenda gukorwo magithomithania itemi-ini ria kuhitana na ungumania na ngungumio.
Yes.
Na nirarihwo
arihwo atia full course
matirarihia goro for now ni ukuoherera 53.
Yes.
Guthomithio maundu ma integrity
kurwa na ngungumio
ukoe mundu mwihokeku wira-ini mundu ngihokerwo tuciringi
already mena rutwo kenda Uganda. And you know, you might take some things for granted, but you were telling me in the region, for that matter, and the continent, tuifururio uri ukoragwo na mawatho ma kurwa na ngungumio maria marumu piu.
In fact, gitaru-ini kia Africa ri mabũrũri maingĩ ma gĩtarũ kia Africa ri they look up to Kenya horo wigie bara ya kurwa na ngungumio mikakati ria tukoragwo twikirite mawatho maria twikirite na structures cia urui wa ngungumio ni ukurikana sometimes hatukiuga ni bũrũri wa was it Namibia?
I think it was one of the countries in that part of Africa. Yes,
matumite delegation nene muno guku yuke guthoma horo wigie anti corruption.
Tanzania ni merega guka ku benchmark. Yes,
they look up to us guka ni horo wigie kurwa na ngungumio
itondu kwi mabũrũri matari ene low ingithita mundu urite mbeca cia mwingi. Well, away from the fact that probably mamwe woko matikirumagirirwo but basically mawatho mau mekuo there are measures and policies in place,
the laws are there
na nikiona ona andu aria maramba kwiyandikithia ri tia guku because we also have a way of shining our systems. Yes,
we mena arutwo kenda kuma Uganda.
Yes,
riu nikio ndakora mabũrũri maria mangi ni maturoraga muno guoka ni horo wigie kurwa na ngungumio makaigua ati nginya tuthondekete body ta EACC
with a functional board.
Nyamu gatiba-ini.
It is embedded in the law. Makarigwo how now? You see, if you talk to corruption, it will be a very short time.
No, tigane good wira yagagari. Bururi no turwe na ngungumio.
Wega view.
Todo mawatho meho, everything is there.
We have our framework. We just need to make it watertight. Yes.
Ego no good wira yagaga.
Yes.
Otherwise everything is there.
Na nuona ameo kama fundithio guku kurwa na ngungumio. Of course mekwa bakumenya horo wigie the structure of EACC. Mazoka kwa ni uhuthu matuike very effective.
Very.
Yes. You see what happens? Taru tata gwa ngihingura na thariri tira ithi mumutwarire ciana bada ngihingura hau hanyu tira ithi atwero ciana ni family. Yes, leo na ukuri I think it's the same. And makiure mugathi akiuga ni aroka kinyume na gapepo keho
huku kuna pepo
ya gukirira undu wothe
na gufinga everything. Kuna pepo.
So we look on the flip side. No, I think this is good at the Uganda. Moni kuria magifundithiria kurwa na ngungumio
ni Kenya.
Yes. No ya ku Kenya magiona 53 cici kwa baire. No, torio tomono twekete guku.
No, the chances are there. Ona
nikiceraga hanini. I know there is a place we are that some people are not.
Yes.
Tau Nigeria mage.
No mama ke muno.
Yes. Atiatu maroka oku bench training.
Yes. Mafundithio kurwa na ngungumio mabũrũri-ini mao.
Riu me Uganda maroni atiriri. Where did Benjamin go? Benjamin is studying abroad. What is he studying abroad? Abroad where? He went to Kenya.
Nairobi.
He went abroad to Kenya to study fighting corruption. Makorania. And where is he going to practice?
Take a consultant.
I think he's planning on relocating to another country. Because when he comes back with his certificates here, it is going to be a little bit of a mlima. No, there are countries that don't have structures.
Zimbabwe na no mambire kugega mangiuka guku. Morie nginya matho ma mwathondekire ri. Mwathondekeirwo ne.
Where did brother Jacob go to? Oh, he went to Kenya at the EACC. He went to the EACC Institute to see how they can fight around corruption that is ravaging our society. Or when he comes back, who is going to employ him here? After he studies and he graduates at the Kenyan EACC, are they going to give him a job there or is coming to practice here?
Matiga ka department yo kadini. Gathine kireirio handu ministry tari riri.
I think when you go there and come back here, you can be employed in church. Because who fights corruption around here?
Yona Nigeria nombo ke githomo guku.
Yeah.
Uga. Hey.
Thank you very much for the graduating. Can you give us a place at Mirema where we can start an office? Because where I come from, the things you taught us do not apply. Oh. Let me tell you, they don't apply. Oh. Nobody can buy that. But you have to, as Kenyans, our structures are there.
We have everything
embedded in the law.
Yes. No na goko ginya nitwa adoptire matho makwandikaga. This is a corruption free zone.
Yes. You are now entering
a corruption free zone.
Yes. Say no to corruption. Yes. Epuka hogo
na ufisadi. Tugikururia magururi. Uri andu nao makoo maturorete no makona twembere muno.
Data iniuru. Mwana twembere ta iniuru. Tumatikane ire yake. Yes. No igona rutwa meyandikithitie ni Uganda. Uthie kuragia intake ya murutwo wa guku.
Tiga no gapepo kaka mugathe arari uhoro wako kara gatucema.
Na gapepo ka uri. You see, remwe na tisiasa ri. Ona taru muno gitaru giki gitu ri. Ni turi gapepo ka ukari ri. Mubunge ndahewo yida. Ni here. And we keep repeating that same song.
Yes. Na ugiro guku gitaru giki gitu nikyo gitano banene muno. Ya tongoria ria mana thuru.
Absolutely. Ireu. Apepo ka ugaku gya mondo maito mothe ni moru ri. We cannot be that bad. Iwa maroka guthoma kurwana ngukumi huku. Yes. Ona muno ni athia cukuru egwagwo no kauma na
maroka guthoma guku.
Yes.
Kwao kuhana ati.
Kwao katare. Kwao nyawira hakambea.
Ela queda na foto. We kodu matepo kageirwo fiu.
Piu. Kuna mahali tuko. Yes.
We are somewhere.
Yes, we are.